क्या हुआ, सारे इंग्लिश कहेंगे?
इंग्लिश बोलो, टूटी फूटी जैसी भी आती है, बस बोलना है, बस बोलना है।
Break it all down tactically for me. Yeah, I think we were believing over. Yeah, I think we were believing over.
ये मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा।
इसके मुंह में पैदाइशी सुपारी है।
Yeah, I think we were believing over spinners and it did.
What do you think of the pitch?
It's the same pitch. I think these pitch. It is the kind of pitches that we have been having since we are here. These pitch. It is the kind of pitches that we have been having since we are here. So it's nothing different. I think.
In this series, looking forward to the next.
Yeah, the game is alive. We knew it's obviously a do and die situation for us, but we just wanted to go and enjoy, and we did, and yeah, looking forward to next game as well.
So I think I congratulations to
Shadab did their good bowling, and also Imad Wasim and couple of overs Hafiz bhai, and especially the way our fast bowler is bowling.
But you were still looking nice and tense up on that balcony. Do you ever relax as captain?
No, I'm always like that. So whenever the position is like that, I'm just like that at the same.
Champion team is never afraid of the results. They know just process. We will keep that process what we did in the 11 matches, and we are the champion, inshallah. Okay, guys.
What was the direction to the bowler when you were doing the super over?
sorry.
What was the direction from you to the bowler when the bowler delivered the super over?
थोड़ा माइक ऊपर कर लें थोड़ा he is experienced bowler. He knows how to bowl, and we are just trying to
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है।
according to field the ball, but I think US batsman is a bit smarter when ball coming to the keeper, his run. So I think that thing is I think plus point to that batsman in the super over.
English know you? Fast English, talk English, walk English. Finish!
Rizwan, what are you going to do and why?
We want to go to bowl fast. Because we have seen the last couple of matches. The dew is coming in the end. That's why the reason is that only. I think if you think about that, the defending champions, it will put us in a little bit more pressure. We just keep him in the simple, like we just played a tri-series against these guys, or the simple matches. So we'll keep this match again same, like we didn't think about the defending champions. Yes, this is a big tournament, and playing in Pakistan is a proud moment for us as well.
You didn't quite get the result in the tri-series against these guys as you would have wanted. What have you learned and taken from that?
If you look here in the tri-series, we bowled first, we bat first, and we know about the mistakes what we did in that matches. Inshallah, hopefully we don't do this mistake in there, and inshallah we get a good result.
It's the best bowling attack in the world in limited overs cricket. Where do you think you need to improve?
Look, always improve improve in the cricket. You never satisfy every day. You learn a lot when you are in the pitch. You saw in the batting you see different quality of bowling against quality of bowling.
I can talk English, I can walk English, I can laugh English, because English is a very funny language.
What is your, funny moment on a cricket field? Anything that you remember?
Thing which I have mentioned before, that sometimes, cramps come, sometimes acting, sometimes that. That time when what happened, he asked me the question, and I give him the answer, and he just finished that question. That time was a real cramp. That.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
But you know that
he thought he was acting.
Yeah, but he finished that question, so he will stop there. Because if you look him that Dubai matches, all the players, if you look the one of the fittest guys, Virat Kohli. Yeah. After he made 80 runs and they was in the bench, and after that, because cramp will come there.
अरे मुझे चक्कर आने लग गया अब।
You played a left-arm spinner today. How much was that based around Australia's top 7? Only one left-hander there. Rest of them are right-handers. How much was that based around that?
Sorry, say again.
Australia has 6 right-handers in their top 7, and you played a left-arm spinner. Was that the main reason you played a left-arm spinner?
I think so it's just team plan. So I'm just not for talk for this because the captain and management decided. So I'm just playing as a player, not for team management. वही बता रहा हूँ कि actually I'm just already told you कि he just decided for management and captain, not for me. So I think so it's a positive sign. So it's just a lot of right hand in Australian batsmen. So one is a left arm spinner. Is just go to show the ability. So I think so. Is Zulfikar Babar is excellent bowling in a circle.
That feeling is different. You know? People screaming your name, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, that
Gets you.
goosebump.
Obviously, जिस तरह सबको पता है कि एक PSL ने एक पूरी दुनिया को हैरान कर दिया। जिस तरह आप शुरू में बातें हो रही थी कि PSL कामयाब नहीं होगा, चीज़ें नहीं होंगी डिफरेंट, मगर हमें भी खुद एज ए प्लेयर हमें फील हो रहा है कि ये इस PSL ने क्या एक निज़ाम एक धूम मचा दिए दुनिया में। क्योंकि अगर हम कह रहे थे कि IPL है, तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अगर अभी इस टाइम दुनिया के जितने भी प्लेयर्स हैं उनसे पूछे जाए जो यहाँ से खेल के जाते हैं, तो वो कह रहे हैं कि सबसे टफ जो लीग है दुनिया की, सबसे टफ लीग जो है ना पाकिस्तान की है।
Yes, definitely. When you're playing a lot of cricket, you need form. You need form. So they help me a lot. That Sri Lanka Premier League, they help me a lot in the.
Good today, you're excellent.
I think today was the difference was our bowling and fielding.
But what did you do to make them better? The fielding in particular. What did you concentrate on to make it better?
I think actually we do not fielding. You know, we had a rain other day, so actually we do nothing. So that's why play.
इनका मोमेंटम जिसके हाथ में जाते तो वहां से स्टार्ट जो है उनको मोमेंटम मिलता है। सेम उनके साथ ये हुआ है। एंड में बैटिंग में मोमेंटम ले लिया, बॉलिंग में आती मोमेंटम हमने दे दिया है। तो दोनों मोमेंटम जहां से पकड़ने के थे मैच के वो हमने सारे इंसान जो है इंप्रूव करने की कोशिश करता रहता है। जब तक खेलते रहेंगे तो कुछ ना कुछ सीखते रहेंगे, इंप्रूव करते रहेंगे। मगर सिर्फ यही की चीज है कि या तो विन है या तो लर्न है। Basically we lose 2 momentums. First time in the death overs we lose the momentum, and after that when we comes to the bat, so that was the time we're gonna get the momentum. Then you know that we're gonna chase him T20 plus. And the Fakhar Zaman was the crucial. You all know that how they use the power play. So we lost that time. So a little bit disturbance for us as well.
मुझे अपने घर जाना है। मुझे घर जाना है। मुझे अपने घर जाना है।
Is with this Darren Sammy with sharing his dressing room is one of the best player captain.
Wonderful win. You must be pretty happy, although a little relieved, I think.
Definitely, we are relieved. We are trying to good cricket, but credit to Netherlands cricket. Definitely, Fakhar Zaman carrying the Haris Sohail and Shoaib Maksud. After the 5 years, he's come back, but he is a good PSL, and Fakhar Zaman carrying his form in South Africa. So yeah. I think all the credit to the fan, the way he's support all the PSL, and then all the come to stadium and all the support to the players. Everyone is love it. So be come and in the final and support the team. And
Shut up! अब अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उसके साथ स्कैम करो या फिर महफिल जमाओ, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए।